Please subscribe and like. Stuffed bream fish in the oven. Learn the simple ingredients and serve a delicious and useful lunch on your trip. Cooking time 60 minutes. Is enough for 2 people. Ingredients. Fish. 2 grains, season, large size. Coriander. A cup, chopped. Parsley. A cup, chopped. Green onions. 2 sticks. Olive oil. A 1/4 cup. Lemon juice. 1 tablet. Black pepper. A teaspoon. Salt. A teaspoon. Fish spice. A tablespoon. Green pepper. 2 tablets, chopped. Tomatoes. 2 tablets, chopped, slices. Garlic. 4 cloves, crushed. Apple cider vinegar. A tablespoon lemon, as desired, sliced, for decoration. Method of preparation. Peel and clean the bream well, then empty its guts. And wash it well with a mixture of vinegar and salt. Prepare the oven tray, then put the fish in it after brushing it with a little oil. Then put the lemon slices, tomatoes and pepper in the bottom of the tray. Prepare the fish filling, and mix garlic, coriander, parsley, salt and black pepper. Put the filling in the fish. And take care to close the fish well so that the filling does not leak out. Pour a quantity of water over the fish, to help in the process of cooking the fish well, and cover the fish with aluminum foil. Put it in the preheated oven at a temperature of 350 degrees Celsius, until the amount of water evaporates all of the fish. Pull the tray out of the oven, then put lemon slices on it, and serve hot. You can serve sea bream fish stuffed in the oven with tahini sauce and bread for the Arab. Foodlife_quinoa salad with zucchini and tomatoes. This quinoa salad with zucchini and tomatoes is a light, refreshing, and satisfying meal that is packed with fresh ingredients and hearty quinoa. It makes a great meal or side dish when you're looking for something simple yet delicious. Servings. 5 people. Ingredients. 1/4 cups uncooked white organic quinoa, 1 large zucchini, 1 teaspoon. Olive oil 3 tablespoons. Fresh dill 1 pint. Cherry or grape tomatoes 2 tablespoons. Finely chopped red onion 2 to 3 tablespoons. Dried chives to taste. 2 cup green olives 1 15 ounces. Can chickpeas drained and rinsed. Dressing. 2 cup olive oil v 4 cup. Kosher salt 34 teaspoons. Black pepper 1½ tablespoons. Dijon mustard juice of 2 lemon 2 tablespoons. Agave nectar. Instructions. 1. Cook 1/4 cups organic white quinoa according to package directions. Then spread the quinoa out on a baking tray to cool for 5 minutes. 2. While the quinoa is cooking, preheat a large pan over medium heat. Slice the 1 large zucchini lengthwise, then make crosswise slices around 4 cm thick. Add the zucchini to the pan, along with the 1 teaspoon olive oil. Cook for 4 to 6 minutes. Flipping periodically, until tender but not mushy. You want some browning. 3. Meanwhile, finely chop the 3 tablespoons fresh dill and the 2 tablespoons red onions and halve or 1/4 the pint of tomatoes. Whisk together the dressing ingredients in a bowl. 1/2 cup olive oil, 1 teaspoon. Kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon. Pepper, 1½ tablespoons. Dijon mustard, juice of 1/2 lemon, and 2 tablespoons agave nectar. 4. In a large mixing bowl, combine all ingredients including the cooking quinoa and zucchini, chopped dill, sliced tomatoes, chopped red onion, 1 15 ounces. Can chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Dried chives to taste, and the 2 cup green olives. Add most of the dressing, gently mix, and taste for seasoning. Add more dressing just before serving, if desired. Oreo ice cream dessert and served as a very delicious summer hospitality. Cooking time 30 minutes. Is enough for 6 people. Ingredients. Whipping cream. 2 sachets, powder, milk. 2 cups, liquid, Oreo biscuits, 28 tablets. Cream cheese, 6 pieces, Kiri. Method of preparation. Put in the electric mixer the whipping cream and a cup of milk and beat for about 15 minutes. Add cream cheese and mix again until the ingredients are homogeneous. Dip 16 biscuits in liquid milk and put them on a tray. Crumble the remaining amount of biscuits and add it to the cream mixture and mix with a spatula. Pour the mixture into the tray and then put it in the freezer for at least 15 hours.